In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Lovable code using GitHub. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Lovable to grab the code you need so you can use it in your local editor or fold it into your Git workflow. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Lovable account and that the project you want to export already exists in your workspace. Begin on the Lovable home dashboard. If you're somewhere else in the app, head back to the main dashboard first. It's the quickest way to see everything you have access to in one place. Give the page a second to load so your projects list and recent activity fully populate. Next, open all projects. You'll find this in the main navigation. This view shows every project you can access. If you have a long list, use the search or filters to narrow it down. It helps to confirm the project name and owner to avoid opening the wrong one, especially if you collaborate across multiple workspaces. Now, select the specific project you want to export from. Clicking the project card takes you to its project area. Take a quick moment here to verify you're in the correct project by glancing at its description or recent edits. This avoids downloading the wrong file later. From the project area, switch to the code view. The code section brings up the file tree in the editor, which is where you can browse your project structure and open individual files. Click through the folders on the left to find the file you're looking for. Make sure the file you want is actually selected and visible in the editor pane. The download action applies to the active file. With the desired file open, click Download File. You'll typically see this near the top of the code editor. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads location. If prompted, choose a folder that aligns with your development setup so it's easy to find later. After the download completes, consider renaming the file to something descriptive and placing it inside your existing project repository on your machine. This gives you a clean copy you can incorporate into your version control process and use alongside your other code. If you don't see all projects or code right away, expand the sidebar or refresh the page. If the download file option looks disabled, make sure a file is selected in the editor. Finally, remember to avoid exporting files that contain secrets and rotate any credentials if they've been included in code. That's it. You've navigated from the Lovable dashboard to your project's code view and downloaded the file you need, ready for your workflow.